Gaming on a PC is a fantastic experience, offering access to a vast library of games that rarely disappear. The flexibility of using a computer also means we have the luxury of choosing from multiple different storefronts. While Steam is the most popular, especially on the Steam Deck, other stores sometimes offer exclusive deals or even free games. So, how do you get these other launchers like the Epic Games Store, Ubisoft Connect, GOG, the EA app, and others onto your Steam Deck? In today's episode, we will be discussing just that. Let's start by saying that it's not as straightforward as using Steam, but with a handy tool called non-Steam launchers, the process becomes a lot easier. Created by Mororoy, non-Steam launchers is a small program that finds, downloads, and installs all the launchers you want into a single prefix folder. The tool is consistently updated, adding features like downloading and installing the latest Proton GE, South Dakota card migration support, auto-updating the application itself, and easy uninstalling. This makes the process much simpler, but a bit of guidance is still helpful, especially when using the launchers in game mode. Let's dive into how to get these non-Steam launchers on your Steam Deck. Downloading and running non-Steam launchers. First things first, head over to the GitHub releases page for non-Steam launchers and download the latest version. As of now, that's version 2.7. You'll want to download the source code zip option. Once you've got that downloaded, extract the folder to your desktop or another location you prefer. It doesn't matter too much where you put it because everything will eventually be installed somewhere else entirely. Next, double-click and run the non-Steam launchers .desktop file. When prompted, hit Continue to confirm you're sure you want to run it. Now you'll see a list of various launchers you can install. Pick whichever ones you want and hit OK. The program will then detect and install the latest Proton GE, using this compatibility layer to automatically install the selected stores to a shared prefix folder located at Home, Deck, Local, Share, Steam Apps, Compa Data, non-Steam launchers. If you prefer, you can have each launcher installed in its own prefix folder for better organization. If you need to move the launchers to an SD card or uninstall specific ones, simply run the .desktop file again and choose the appropriate option. After going through the installation process, the program will restart Steam so that the shortcuts to the new launchers will appear there. If it puts you in big picture mode, just exit and manually go back to game mode. The shortcuts should now be visible. The convenience of having all these launchers in one place cannot be overstated. Not only does it save you the hassle of installing each one individually, but it also ensures that they are all compatible with Proton, which is essential for running them smoothly on the Steam Deck. This one-stop solution simplifies the entire process, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your games rather than troubleshooting installations. Configuring launcher shortcuts in game mode. Now that everything is installed and the shortcuts are created, there are a few more steps to ensure the launchers run smoothly. First, you'll need to force Proton compatibility. While this feature is being worked on by Mororoy, it's not yet automatic. Go into the properties for each launcher, navigate to the Compatibility tab, and select the newest Proton GE version, 9.5 as of now. This should ensure the launcher starts correctly. I tried launching without forcing compatibility initially, and it wouldn't let me force it after that attempt, so make sure this is the first thing you do. Next, you'll want to modify the controller layout. Steam's default setting for my launchers was a gamepad with joystick trackpad layout, which is great for games but not so much for navigating the launchers. I recommend changing the functionality of the trackpads. Set both the right and left trackpads to act as a mouse, making it easier to navigate with a cursor. Additionally, configure the right trackpad click to function as a left mouse click and the left trackpad click as a right mouse click. This setup allows you to navigate and use the launchers effectively. For example, the Amazon Games Launcher requires a right mouse click to uninstall downloaded games, so this setup is quite handy. The ease of navigation with this setup cannot be understated. It transforms the Steam Deck into a more versatile tool, capable of handling various game libraries and storefronts with ease. The added functionality of the trackpads makes the experience more intuitive and user-friendly, bridging the gap between traditional PC gaming and the handheld convenience of the Steam Deck. Moreover, this configuration ensures that you have all the necessary tools at your fingertips, literally. The ability to use the trackpads as a mouse makes it possible to interact with the launchers in a way that feels natural and seamless. This is particularly useful for launchers that are not fully optimized for gamepad navigation, giving you the flexibility to manage your games and settings without any hassle. Optional, getting artwork for the launchers. While this step is optional, I highly recommend getting artwork for the launchers to make everything look nicer. Mororoy mentioned that Automatic Artwork Edition is being worked on, but it's not available yet. If you have the SteamGridDB Decky plugin, it can automatically find and apply the artwork based on the shortcut names. If you already have Decky installed, you can learn how to use the plugin through various online guides. Our Decky Loader guide is already out, including recommendations for plugins and installation tips. Make sure to check that out. The aesthetic appeal of having proper artwork for each launcher cannot be underestimated. It adds a layer of polish to your setup, making it look more cohesive and professional. This is especially important if you are particular about the visual organization of your game library. With the right artwork, each launcher can have its unique identity, making it easier to distinguish between them at a glance. Additionally, having the correct artwork enhances the overall user experience. It creates a more immersive and visually appealing environment, which can make navigating through your game library more enjoyable. This small touch can significantly improve your interaction with the Steam Deck, making it not just a powerful gaming device, but also a beautifully organized one. After setting up the launchers and configuring the necessary settings, you should be able to start using them without any issues. You might need to use the virtual keyboard to log into your accounts, but once that's done, you can navigate and play games using the trackpads and gamepad. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out the rest of our content on Retro Pocket. We offer a wide variety of game reviews and news to enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy your newly expanded gaming library on the Steam Deck. That's all for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed what we presented in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Catch you guys later.